First, toilet paper rewinding.
Rewinding speed adjustable.
Second, bandsaw toilet paper cutting.
Cutting speed adjustable.
Third, transmission belts. Fourth, direction reversing. Fifth, two-lan distribution for two-row packing purposes. Sixth, multi-pieces toilet paper roll packing. Seventh, putting bag on manually, loading paper automatically, and sealing bag automatically, stable sealing temperature, and temperature adjustable based on different bags. Eighth, perfect bag sealing quality checking.
Please subscribe our channel for more. Thanks for watching. Welcome back soon.